criteria for agency selection. You are the owner. ऐसे सोचना है आपको. You are the owner or the head of any particular company organization. So what are the criteria or the basics that you have to see and look after while selecting any ad agency? See, number one is given to you ability agency to cover relevant market. Of course, वो agency की ability है क्या, वो market को cover कर सकता है क्या? मतलब they have that much of power on the basis of on the manpower, especially manpower along with them, that they can cover whole market where you want to put forward your products and services. Then that will be the best agency. In short, I can say, as per the market and all, they understand about, like, companies understand that the reach of that specific ad agency is quite good. Reach, क्योंकि उनका हर एक लेवल, हर एक एरिया, हर एक कॉर्नर तक उनकी पहुंच है. Second one is quality of agency work, and that can be easily able to understand through previous campaigns. वही है experience and other things. So previous campaigns and all you will check of that ad agency. If that particular campaigns were very successful, that shows that that particular agency is having good type of people, or you can say experienced people to be there in that particular agency, and best person they already hired for their particular work activity. So quality of the agency work or the previous activity that you have to see before for the criteria in the agency selection. Market research, third pointer is public relation and other services offered by the agency. मार्केट रिसर्च इज इम्पोर्टेंट. ऑफ कोर्स वो कितना अच्छा रिसर्च करता है, कर पाता है कि नहीं, उसकी टीम है कि नहीं, हु आर द रिसर्चर्स टू बी देयर, हाउ दे आर मेंटेनिंग द रिलेशन विद द डिफरेंट स्टेक होल्डर्स. अभी जस्ट मैंने जो आपको एक्सप्लेन किया, इफ यू नो बाई चांस, वो गवर्नमेंट के साथ कैसे डील करता है, लीगल चीज़ों को कैसे हैंडल करेगा. दैट इज ऑल अबाउट द पब्लिक रिलेशन. एनी प्रेशर टू बी देयर इन द एरिया, उसको कैसे हैंडल कर सकता है, कोई भी सिचुएशन हो. एनी अदर सर्विसेज which is related with that agency, means other than extra services or the bonus services, you can say, it is also known as perks. So any other services that they can give to us, if they are expert in that particular lineup, they can. So those things you have to see for selection of agency. Relative roles of a company, advertising department and agency. Is that particular agency is cooperative and also in association with the company's uh, agency, they will work together. Certain time it happen, agency says ki no, my team and everybody, we are going to work, we are not going to take help and support from others, so we are not cooperate with others. ये भी एक डर होता है ना, सामने वाले को पता चल जाए हमारा वर्क एक्टिविटी क्या है, वर्क कल्चर क्या है, तो वो चुरा सकते हैं. But few agencies, they don't mind, they cooperate with other agencies, especially in-house agencies of that particular company organization. If they support when they are working, so that is also a very positive sign to select any particular agency. Level of communication and control desired by company. Level of communication कैसा है उनका, means they are expert on the basis of communication, they know how to communicate, at what time to communicate, and how to control the desired by companies values, etc., and what exactly company want for branding of its product to reach target market. Okay, अगर वो communication अच्छा है, regular है, and they know the basic languages, especially they know how to utilize basic and local languages in a systematic way, will be very important and very useful to select such kind of agencies. मैं महाराष्ट्र में अगर एजेंसी सेलेक्ट करता हूँ तो उनको मालूम है कि यहाँ पे कम्युनिकेट करने के लिए मराठी लैंग्वेज को किस हिसाब से प्रेजेंट करना पड़ेगा. दैट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. Ability of agency to coordinate international campaigns. There are chances, like if the international standard is very high, for example, okay, of the campaigning of product or services, any products and services which is available to be there, when you are selecting and going through with the agency work, same standard kind of local advertisement, are you able to cope up and present in front of the society? If you have that particular power to create at least up to the mark of international level of campaign, you can create local campaigns, वो कैपेबिलिटी है, तो डेफिनेटली एजेंसी इज बेस्ट टू सेलेक्ट लोकल एजेंसी. वो चीज़ें हमको देखनी पड़ेंगी डेफिनेटली. सो वो कोप अप वाली चीज़ आती है इसमें. So and how we will get these things? International category campaign को coordinate कर सकता है. When we saw the old campaigns of that specific agency, how successful the old campaigns were, according to that we can go ahead with for the selection process. Size of companies international business, this is simple to understand. Size of companies international business, हमारा कंपनी का इंटरनेशनल बिजनेस अच्छा है, खराब है, बड़ा है, नहीं है. If the size is nice, of the sizes of the international business is high, on the basis of volume of profit, so you can hire best local agency also. If it is less, on the basis of profit, the chances are there you will select any ad agency which is available over there. Companies desire for local versus international image. आप चाहते हो कि ये लोकल वर्सेस इंटरनेशनल इमेज बने, अच्छी बने. सो इंटरनेशनली व्हेन यू आर प्रेजेंटिंग, डेफिनेटली यू आर पेइंग अ लॉट ऑफ मनी ओवर देयर फॉर प्रोडक्ट्स एंड सर्विसेज अंडर कैंपेनिंग. सो लोकल में भी आप उतना ही कॉन्सेंट्रेट करते हैं और खर्चा करते हैं जितना आप इंटरनेशनल मार्केट में कर रहे हैं, तो शुभारंभ आएगा. समझ में आ रहा है? तो आएगा कुछ मीठा हो जाए. सो मैगडी का नमस्ते आएगा. सो local level पे भी, if you want to concentrate at a higher level, you'll select best ad agency which is available over there from your particular side. Company organizational structure for international, like इसमें वो structure कैसा है कंपनी का, centralized है, decentralized है. Why it is important? Because if it is a centralized way, so everything, all rules and regulation are coming from the head, so you have to wait, but you will select agency. Decentralized, the head of that particular area, of that particular country, they can immediately go ahead with the agreement between agency and company, and they will work for your products and services. Company's level of involvement with international operations. वो कंपनी इंटरनेशनल ऑपरेशन मतलब अलग अलग कंट्रीज में कैसे डील कर रही है, कैसे इन्वॉल्व है, कौन सी एजेंसी के साथ काम कर रहे हैं. यहाँ पे एजेंसी अगर सिलेक्ट कर रहा हूँ तो आप कितने इन्वॉल्व हो, because at the end there will be profit or loss. So when there is a profit, you have to involve with your activity. It is a business, na? Your company means, corporation means business. So if you are actually involved working with those different ad agencies and all, you personally give chance to talk with them. Say बड़ी companies के owners के पास इतना time नहीं है, फिर भी एटलीस्ट यू रेफर कि हाँ भाई क्या हो रहा है, क्या नहीं चल रहा है, क्या चलाना चाहिए, टाइप ऑफ इतना थोड़ा टाइम है टू डिस्कस विद द सीईओज कि क्या है. सो दैट इन्वॉल्वमेंट शोज यू आर एक्चुअली रेडी फॉर द एजेंसी सिलेक्शन, एंड आपकी तरफ से हरी झंडी है कि ये एजेंसी या ये पर्टिकुलर सर्विस सेक्टर इज बेस्ट फॉर माई प्रोडक्ट्स एंड सर्विसेज, स्पेशली फॉर द ब्रांडिंग. So these are the few criterias of agency selection. So on the basis of this particular criteria, you can easily able to select ad agency for your business or products or brand.